Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So today we have something new on the bench, and this is your typical security screen door with a doggy door. And what we're doing here is we're actually going to be putting a Perspex or plexiglass shield on this, and we're going to be putting the doggy door back in. The reason being is because where this customer lives, he's getting a little bit of traffic noise, and this should actually help reduce that traffic noise significantly by having it all complete. So it'll keep the bugs out, it'll let the light in, it won't let any more air in, but I think the customer's more concerned about the noise, and I thought it was a good idea because it's one that we haven't done before, using Perspex on a screen door to reduce noise, but it's definitely something new and definitely a bit of a good idea. So anyway, this is what it looks like when we start. Typical screen door, aluminium screen door, aluminium channeling with fly screen on the inside, and we're going to get to work and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, and I'll show you what it looks like fitted. Okay, so we've stripped down the door, we've taken out the doggy door, and we've got the plastic on there, and as you can see, the finish on it here, we've used 3mm. It's got a white protective cover on it at the moment, but that is looking nice. So now what we'll do is we'll just pot rivet it into place, cut the doggy door in, and it's starting to take shape. So you can see it's right up, 1mm of gap, beautifully cut. Okay, so we cut the doggy door out here, and we've marked all around the side. The white plastic is just a protective shield, and now we're going to go through and start putting in some rivets. And we've positioned them all so they all look nice and neat, and we'll go through and we should start pot riveting now, and we're almost just about done. Okay, so we've finished it now, so we put the Perspex in there. This is the doggy door, which was originally fitted, which we had to refit. We extended the screws because now it's an extra 3mm, so we put the bigger screws in. This part here is actually, you pull this up if you want to lock your dogs out, and this part here is the flap, so normally that would sit like that, and you push that down. So the doggy door is installed quite nicely. Some of the challenges are with Perspex is you push too hard, you can crack it, and some of the benefits are you could throw a brick at it and the brick would bounce off, so it's stronger than glass. It's easier to work with than glass. It's lightweight. So for this type of application where we're trying to reduce noise, it's definitely a good idea, and it's turned up quite nicely. On this side here, what we did is we marked all our lines for all our rivets and stuff, all in a line, as you can see, and we just got to brush it off now, and this is ready to go back on. So let's go put it back on and see how the screen door all put back in, and we've still got the protective film on it, so we're just going to peel that back. And that's what it looks like. So of course daylight saving's gone, so it's dark now. So this solution is not for everybody. Of course you're going to lose the option of wind coming through, and the next thing is that you're probably saying, well, why not just close the door? And that's because they've got dogs. So this is the best solution, so that you can block out noise, you might be able to hear the cars, and also the dogs are able to go in and out, and you keep your front door closed, so you've got some security from burglars. So not a bad idea. I'll just show you the Perspex on it. Turned out quite nice, a little bit of dust in it, the door's in there, and absolutely flush on this side. So this was about $350 if you're local to Parramatta. If you're interested in this, give us a ring. Definitely looks quite nice. It's what they do in America, and yeah, another job complete. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.